Good afternoon, dignitaries on the dais and ladies and gentlemen. I am Amit Mukherjee. I basically am with Spot Exchange for the last 5 years, and I am been strengthening and strategies for developing the agribusiness on this exchange. We have been hearing, a lot of ideas regarding what an exchange is basically from the morning. So my presentation will definitely clear of all the misconceptions we have about an exchange. Now exchange are of two types basically. Now we have come up with spot markets since for the last 3 years, but still there's a perception that exchanges are typically a point of speculation, point of satta as somebody referred. So I will typically cover and describe what is National Spot Exchange and what are the opportunities available to the pulses trade and industry and how the pulses trade and industry can benefit through spot exchange. To begin with, our mission is to develop a common Indian market where offering compulsory delivery based spot contracts in various commodities with a view to reduce the cost of intermediation. We have been promoted by Financial Technologies and NAFED. We are into operations. National Spot Exchange was formed in February 2005. This is basically the financial technologies group structure. We are into exchange business, ecosystem business, and technology business. In exchange businesses, we have financial technologies has promoted several exchanges, several initiatives like MCX, National Spot Exchange, MCX SX, IBS Forex, BFX, GBOT, DGCX. In ecosystem business, we have NBHC, which supports the trade, physical delivery, warehousing, M6SX Clearing Corporation, Atom Technologies, credit risk management. Even in brokerage solutions, we've come out with Odin and Match, which is the #1 leading software today. In exchange solutions, we have front office, Dome, and back office, CNS. Messaging solutions as well in FTNet and STP Gate. Spot Exchange is currently operating in 14 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, MP, Orissa, West Bengal, Bihar, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, and Kerala. Now this has been we started our live operations from 15th October 2008. We are on to 3 years now in operations. This is how the volumes have been. 2008-9 to 2010-11, there has been a significant improvement in volumes, with delivery volumes going up year on year, month by month. Current status, we have signed various MOUs with different state governments to support us, like Government of Madhya Pradesh, Government of Rajasthan, Government of Maharashtra, Government of Orissa, ILFS, Ministry of IT regarding CSE project. We obtained license from the Government of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, MP, Orissa, Rajasthan. Current status, live trading in 28 commodities in 14 states going on. Total number of members, 384 plus. Number of terminals, close to 3,000. Number of commodity contracts we have is around 280 plus. And total number of delivery locations we have been able to cover now is 84. This is basically the typical scenario, how a farmer or a trader they get goods to the warehouse. We have our warehouse at every location where we operate. Quality is being initially checked. And these are the participants who are basically associated with the spot exchange, right from farmers to corporates, to farmer cooperatives, importers, exporters, processors, traders, cooperatives and associations, and even government agencies. Now, Pulses trade on NSCL, we have been able to launch these following contracts. In Pulses, we are operating in Chana, in Delhi. Madhya Pradesh, we have launched traders contract in Ganj Basoda and Vidisha. Rajasthan, we are operating in Bikaner, Jaipur, and Sri Ganganagar. Karnataka in Gadak and Osmanabad in Maharashtra. Gadak and Osmanabad, we have even launched farmers contract, which is a new initiative, which I'll just cover in my next slides. Then Chana Katawala in Indore. Now even we have started selling imported pulses, even PSUs like MMTC, PEC, STC and NAFED. disposing imported stocks through our electronic auction model, forward auction, and even continuous market. Masoor, red lentil in West Bengal, tur in Maharashtra, Mumbai, and Chennai. Yellow peas in Mumbai, Rajma in Andhra Pradesh, and whole tur in Andhra Pradesh. Sorry. Now, there are typically two types of contracts which we have launched in spot markets. One is typically a farmer's contract, in which the farmer is the seller. Now, it is on Mandi says unpaid basis, where the trading lot is minimum one bag. And these are all ex-warehouse or ex-mill delivery contracts. This is a new initiative which I've come up with, wherein, farmers are directly delivering at the processor's units, whereby he is able to realize more price, and for a processor, it is easier to save in a lot of cost. At the same time, he is getting assured material at his doorstep. So that immediate advantage to the farmers are instant payment. The exchange is making cash payment to the farmers on the same day as he is delivering. There is higher price realization because he's delivering at the doorstep. The cost of there are two layers of commissions are being eroded. So the miller is able to offer a higher price to the farmers. And advantages to the millers, of course, saving in transportation cost, savings in brokerage, scientific quality testing. We are providing testing at the doorstep of the miller. And there are financing arrangement available through NSCL in terms of bank finance and even market-based finance through our contracts of various settlement cycles.